Hi, this is the Groupize Simple Meetings platform demonstration. We're going to walk you through our portal, which has a rules-based engine for workflow, supporting simple and complex meetings. Then we're going to walk you through the simple e-bids process for an occasional planner to source their meeting and communicate with suppliers. We will also demonstrate how an occasional planner could build a simple website and support a simple attendee registration process. And finally, we're going to share with you all the reporting to get your occasional planners out of Excel. So you always begin with the portal page that you see on the screen. It's configurable with your branding and your message. The top part is the rules engine, which supports workflow based on your definitions of simple and complex meeting. So, as an example, if you define a 100-person client meeting as a complex event, your user will be directed to use the forms that support your existing complex meeting process. But for an internal meeting of 40 people, the rules engine may allow my occasional planners to continue in a self-service environment. They can begin to shop for hotels, and you'll see that your negotiated rate comes back to make that occasional planner more educated on the market rate for their dates, along with other factors such as distance and meeting space. There's a simple requirements form to be completed with simple text fields and a few checkboxes, and the ability to attach files. But you also have the power of having your contract addendum pre-attached so that all bids go out with your requirements regarding attrition, cancellation, insurance, and indemnification. The true simplicity of the Groupize eBid solution is that the communication between the planner and the suppliers is via email, so that request goes to the hotel as an email with attachments. However, Groupize aggregates the entire email conversation inside of our tool. So the planner works communications in email, while you have the visibility of all the content of those email communications, as well as the attachments that go along with it. So everything is stored in one location, including bids, menus, contracts, invoices, etc. It's simple for the planner to compare their bid figures, and then share those cost figures with their boss or whoever needs to make the final decision on which property should be selected based on the information. And because Groupize is a single platform, not only can you do the sourcing, but you can also set up a simple registration site with your branding and registration fields. The company branding automatically pulls down from your initial setup, and then you can add content about the agenda, speakers, add custom contact fields, as well as unlimited custom questions. So this is an example of a site from an attendee perspective, demonstrating how easy it is for event content to be displayed and support the communication of event requirements like the agenda, FAQs, and location information. From a registration data perspective, there are no restrictions on the amount of contact fields you can see that with the opt-in checkbox, there is GDPR compliance. There is also unlimited potential on the types of questions that you can ask. We support standard rooming list capture, as well as instant book event booking pages. At the end of the registration process, you can simply add the Concur Air booking integration link so attendees can immediately book their air for the event. The value for the planner is all their information is at their fingertips. Their RSVP information with status, their rooming list information by night and by property, and easily shared with hotels. And Groupize pulls back the air information from Concur, so now the planner has all their arrival and departure information without bugging the travel department. And then you have the cross-event reporting for full visibility into all data across all meetings. So the power of Groupize is where a single platform can empower your occasional planners to manage their events while you have the visibility into their activities without having to perform the work. It's time to focus on the other 60 to 80% of your meetings and close the gap in your travel program. Thank you.